Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to show odds in the list of games on the Flashscore application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the betting odds section, and here you can find the first option, the show odds in the list of games. And if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.